Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Today, students, we will discuss about the topic major landforms of the earth. Let us start. Now, landform. What is a landform? A landform is a natural feature of the earth's surface. What is a landform? Landform is a natural feature. A natural feature of the earth's surface. Now, what can be those features? Those features are like mountains, valley, hills, plains and desert. What are the landforms? Like what are the features? Mountains, valley, hills, plains and desert. The very first feature that we will study is mountain. What is the meaning of the mountain? A large natural elevation of the earth's surface. It is a elevation of the earth's surface. So you can see in this picture, elevation of the earth's surface, a height or a peak. So this becomes like a mountain, elevated land. Now there are some types of the mountain. What are they? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain. What are the types? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain. Now, the second feature that we will study is valley. What is a valley? A low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or stream flowing through it. So, basically, hills are there, mountains are there, and in between a very small river is there. That is a valley. Let us see in this picture. A low area of land is there, hills are there, mountains are there, and in between a very small river is there. That is a valley. Now, there are some types of the valley. What are they? U-shaped valley, V-shaped valley, river plain valley. Now, hills. What is the meaning of the hill? A naturally raised area of land not as high as a mountain. So it is also a raised land, an elevated land with a height, with a peak you can see, but it is not as high as a mountain. An elevated natural. So students, it has a height, it is an elevated surface, it has a peak, but it is not high like a mountain. It has a small height. So it is hills. Now we will discuss about plains. What are plains? Meaning, plains are the most important landforms found on the earth's surface. They are the most important landforms. So students, plains are the most important landforms. Now in this picture you can see this is a plain area. Now what is a plain landform? It is a low-lying flat land surface with very gentle slope. So you can see in this picture a very flat land with no height, with no slope, simply a flat land. That is a plain. Now, we will discuss about the types of the plain. They are the flood plain, the coastal plain and the grassland. Flood plain, coastal plain and grassland. Now, we will discuss about desert. What is a desert? The meaning of a desert landform is a place that gets little to no rain. It is basically a landform that has no rainfall or a very little rainfall. No greenery, no vegetation you can see. So it is a flat land, a plain area with no trees, with no greenery, no rainfall, no cultivation, no agriculture. It is a very dry region. The types of the desert: hot and dry desert, cold winter desert, coastal desert and polar desert. What are the types, students? Hot and dry desert, cold winter desert, coastal desert and polar desert. Now it is time for revision. Yes, students, now it is your revision time. The topic is major landforms of the earth. Let us revise. What is a landform? A natural feature of the earth's surface. A landform is a natural feature of the earth's surface. Now, what can be the landform? What can be the features of the earth's surface? They are mountains, valley, hills, plains and desert. Mountains, valley, hills, plains and desert. Mountain. Now, a larger natural elevation of the earth's surface. It is the elevation of the earth's surface. You can see in this picture an elevation, a height or a peak. So it is elevation of the earth's surface. It is a mountain. Now there are some types of mountain. What are they? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain. Fold mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. What is a valley? Meaning a low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or stream flowing through it. So you can see in this picture, hills are there, mountains are there and a very small river is flowing in between. That is a valley. Now, there are some types of the valley. U-shaped valley, V-shaped valley, river plain valley. What are the types? U-shaped valley, V-shaped valley and river plain valley. Now we will discuss about hills. Meaning a naturally raised area of land not as high as a mountain. So it is also an elevated surface of earth. It has a height, it has a peak. You can see in this picture, but it is not as high as a mountain. It has a less height. So it is called hills. Now we will discuss about plains. What are plains? Plains are the most important landform found on the earth's surface. They are the most important landforms. You can see in this picture depicts the plain land. These are the plains, the flat area. So it is low-lying flat land surface with very gentle slope. So it does not have a height, it is not at all elevated, it is just a flat land. You can see in the picture, this is a plain land. Now what are the types of the plain? Flat plain, coastal plain and grassland. Flat plain, coastal plain and grassland. Now we will discuss about desert. Meaning a desert landform is a place that gets little to no rain. You can see in this picture, no rainfall, no greenery, no trees, no vegetation. So it is a dry region. What are the types? Hot and dry desert, cold winter desert, coastal desert and polar desert. What are the types? Hot and dry desert, cold winter desert, coastal desert and the polar desert. Students, now it is your homework time. What you have to do? You have to learn and revise about mountains, valley, hills, plains, deserts and you have to explore the same. So students, you have to revise whatever we have discussed in this video. You also have to search and increase your knowledge. That will become like exploring all these concepts. Now students, for homework submission, For any doubt, for any feedback, you have this mail ID. You can note it down. vbbshakkarpur@gmail.com. I am repeating, vbbshakkarpur@gmail.com. You can write it down. So students, this is enough for today. Do revise properly. Stay happy, stay safe. You have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.